Hey there, welcome back to SAP with Veena. So, in this video, we are going to understand the aspect of purchasing area. Now, purchasing area is a functionality which was a part of IS retail. Now, they have extended the same functionality to MM as well. But if you want to use this function in a complete sense, then we need to have uh, the business function activated, which is on ISR underscore retail system. So this business function should be active, wherein we'll be able to use the functionality of purchasing area determination. Now, when you talk about purchasing area, it is an organization unit which will be assigned to the purchase organization, wherein, in fact, we are going to use this for negotiations with the vendors and master data maintenance, all that. So, in short, purchasing area is an aspect which we use for reporting system and for the information system also. So a purchasing group will be assigned to the purchasing area only one. I mean, one purchase group can be assigned to one purchasing area within a purchase organization. So where would we configure that? We go into SPRO. So here, material management, we have purchasing. So here you can see maintain purchasing area. So as I said, if you want to use this, we need to have the IS retail business function to be activated. And as a part of standard, there are two purchasing areas. And of course, you can create your own purchasing area. I'm just showing you like where it can be created. Now I'll go back. And here you have purchasing area determination. So this is where you are going to assign the purchasing. Now, the purchasing organization which I'm using is BLSI. So, purchasing group and the purchasing area. So, we are going to assign the purchasing area with a combination of purchase organization and the purchasing group. So, tomorrow, if we need to do reporting all that, that would be really very helpful for us to go ahead with this. So, this is the functionality, just to recall that a part of IS retail and it has been extended to SAP S/4HANA procurement as well now. So let's see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.